you give us the CTC?
They must give us. They must give us.
Is it too much to us? Is it too much to us? All we are asking is please, we have submitted letters, we have submitted several letters, we have done follow-ups, several follow-ups. The candidate is here. I am the National Union of Labour Party and I'm here. We demand the CPC of the Imo Governorship election. I want to announce to you the arrival of His Excellency the Governorship candidate of Imo State. In the course of this, we have come here to demand that INEC will give us the CTC of that election.
One hand.
Thank you, sir.
One hand.
INEC should allow us collect the CTC of our election. We campaigned under the sun, under the rain. INEC assured us, provided guidelines which they did not adhere to. Still, we wrote with duty. Which is our right. INEC did not give it to us. Instead, INEC brutalized us, picked up our state collection agent, the chairman of Labour Party, Barrister Callistus, beat him up. The whole world was watching. Monday after this same election, after the collection in court, up till today, we do not have access to those documents. So we are asking them to allow us now walk into INEC and collect our CTCs.
Because of this election, this is the man that Imo people voted for. This man went across the 27 local government of Imo State. Even the sitting governor could not go to his local government. I stand to be corrected. Senator Athan Achonu went to the remotest place in Imo State, campaigning and asking Imo State to join him to rescue the state. The state is under attack. You cannot go home. People cannot even bury their parents, their fathers that died. You cannot even conduct the naming ceremony in Imo State. And then, the CTC of that election is the only thing we demand from INEC. We are no longer talking about the selection that was done. We are no longer talking about the selection. We are no longer talking about the beatings. We are no longer talking about the humiliations. At some point, the candidate was not allowed to pass. He was not allowed to access a church in Imo State. Is that a state? Is that a state? I want to tell INEC that before that election, our campaign office was destroyed. Labour Party office was desecrated. They came and removed every signage on the party office. Is that democracy? Is that democracy? I want to repeat. Democracy is government of the people. By the people. If INEC cooperates the government of the day to kill all of us, who will they be leading? Who will they be leading? If all of us are killed, who will the government be leading? We are here peacefully. We are here peacefully to demand for the CTC of that election. We demand our mandate.
Yes.
What exactly happened and what are you demanding?
We won that election landslide. INEC, to our greatest shock and surprise, by 10 a.m. that day, they had started uploading pre-written results into their portal. So when collation started, when collation now started, our state collation agent duly asked INEC not to announce any result. That collation started very early that day, even while voting was going on. Uploading to the portal, to the IRF, had started while even voting was taking place, was still ongoing. So how did that happen? That they should go to their back-end server and confirm the results they were about to announce, that they are not correct. So INEC refused to do that. That returning officer insisted, because you could see that he had an agenda. Meanwhile, Bayelsa, there was just 8 local governments. It took them 3 days to announce their state results. Imo State of 27 local governments, it took them 2 hours to announce the result. And the result was already uploaded, but by 10 a.m. of that day, they started uploading. So we duly wrote to INEC asking them to review that election that they are not supposed to announce. They hurriedly announced that election, even before the 7 days that we allowed for review had passed. So INEC now, we wrote on Monday, we asked them, give us access to the same results that you claim that we lost, that you declared. Up till today, as we speak here, we have not received a permission to collect the CTCs of that election. So we are asking that we are going to march into INEC now, since they don't even want to talk to us. We have been standing here under the sun. Nobody has come out to find out why we are here. So we're going to march into INEC and probably collect our cities by ourselves. So they don't want to give it to us. That's why we're here.
INEC, CTC, 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 INEC, CTC. To ask again. Should I ask? Yes! I want to ask. Yes! What is the meaning of INEC? Independent. INEC means Independent National Electoral Commission. Yes! But if INEC don't want to give us this, I underline. Independent. I underline. Independent. I underline. They should come to us. Give them road to come to us. Please give us space. This is a peaceful demonstration. He's not even talking about that election where the state chairman was humiliated like an animal in front of INEC resident electoral commission, in front of security agencies, in front of the collection officers. A citizen was humiliated, was beaten, dragged on the floor on an election day. Till now, that young man is on wheelchair because of democracy. And now, election has been declared despite that situation. And now, for the past 12 days, we have been asking, written to INEC, to give us the CTC of that election. Because we intend challenging that rascality in the law court, even though that judiciary is also shaking. But we intend to fulfill our righteousness by going to the judiciary, because we still believe in the judiciary, and we still believe that this country can work with the judiciary. So we are asking that INEC give us that CTC. I am here with me, with His Excellency Athan Achonu on Imo State, distinguished Senator Athan Achonu, to demand for the CTC of Imo Governorship election. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
See you now.
Thank you very much. You are here and we welcome you. I must say we are happy that you are here on a very... You are here... Thank you very much for this very peaceful demonstration. You've come with a petition, I'm sure. Is it a written petition? If you are my name is Mohammed Haruna. I'm a national commissioner here. And with me here is also another national commissioner, Professor Abdullahi Abduzuru. So we are here to receive...
Where is Ken, the man who did the whole thing?
Ken is not around. No, it's not all the commissioners that are here at the moment. The two of us are here. That's and the chairman said we should come here on his behalf, on behalf of the commission, and receive your petition. And I assure you, because this is your right. CTCs is the right of every petitioner.
Received this petition last week Monday.
Last week, but
Yes, this is it. This is acknowledged copies.
okay.
So why are we are working in to collect it? That's why I'm here personally. Athan Achonu, will have to bring the whole army today to stop me from collecting my signature.
No, it will not get to that.
Okay.
The CTCs are normally collected at the state level because your petition is at the state. Which
Which ones are the ones that were supposed to collect it?
which ones I don't. Okay, so we have this now. We would like to assure you it will be attended to. It won't get to it. It will be attended to. We'll discuss it. It's your right. This.
Excuse me.